Exclusive.
I thought about these with some like leggings, a big oversized sweater, because you know it get cold here. So I thought this was cute. I like it because I don't know, it's just that wedge look. It's not that typical UGG boot style. I don't know, but this is how the boot look. Okay, now they're scuffed. You probably can't see. Maybe you can tell right here. Let's see. Right here. There's scuff right here and right here. And I think if I buff it with my buffer, it would be fine. And they look so cute in my opinion. And these are the shoes. Another oversized sweater, leggings, or some jeans. And these are the kind of shoes that you would wear when it's like raining and like drizzling. Not that hard rain, but yeah, these are cute. MK. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brannygiz, and I know it's probably dark up in here, but I just got home from Walmart. Yes, I'm gonna show y'all really quick what I picked up. I just actually came from Walmart, and I also went to my girl's Carla's house. I was over there playing with her little baby and talking to her, and I picked up some detergent. Some bananas. I like to get them green. Some apple. We call them taffy apple. But it said, what it say? It say Affy Tapple. Girl, we've been saying it wrong for the longest. Or either they got a new name. Some real lemon juice. I don't know why I picked this up. Orange extract. I usually put that with my, or either like lemon for my sweet potatoes. And I'm going to try these. Well, I've tried these before. These are some girly products. These are the ones that says Ultra. And I was like, okay, is that something new? And that's on those days when it's like a heavy bleed. I didn't know that they had those. I thought they had like Super Plus. And then I brought my favorite ginger beer. I picked up 2. These are like really bold and spicy, y'all. Really good. You know how when you first drink the ginger beer, the ginger is so potent that you start coughing? Yes. Some mouthwash. Eggnog. Yes, they make lactate eggnog. Boom. Take a look at that. I picked up 2 because they're so small. Yeah, it's just a quart. I picked up 2. I love that. Some sweet potatoes. You need that brown sugar on deck. Spinach. Toothpaste. This is my favorite, Aquaphor. It helps because I've noticed when I use other stuff, like lotions and whatnot, I start itching. Aquaphor. Then I was watching this young lady and she said that she uses the Baby Dove, the hypoallergenic sensitive skin for that girly area down there. So I'm gonna see how that works out. It's all sealed up, so I can't tell you how. Well, maybe I can. Hold on. I'll tell you how, if there's a smell. Oh, it smells good. Like baby. So we'll use that. Picked up some more lactate milk. Some Simply Orange with pineapple. Some Mott's. I like the Great Value, but they took it all. Then we have some wipes, because you know you need wipes when your girly girl comes in town. So we got to be ready. And the last bag is some strawberries. Yes. Let me rinse them off right now. Make sure. All right, guys, so that will complete this here video. Yeah, I had to repeat this sweater again. This is like my favorite sweater when it's kind of like cool outside but not too cold. You can wear something like this. And I didn't plan on going outside, but I figured why not. I needed a car wash. And then when I went to get my ginger beer, she was like, bring me some, and she lives close by. So I ended up getting her some ginger beer too and some other stuff. So yeah, guys, this will complete it. And I ate fried rice earlier, some shrimp fried rice and some egg rolls. That's what you see. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get off here. I thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brannygiz, and I am just sitting in the bed. I was editing. Y'all, I forgot to upload the try on portion of the haul for the boots. You know, your girl. I think I was uploading and I was kind of tired. But anyway, I just upload that for y'all along with the little small Walmart haul. And I think some of you all, well, not some of you all, one person asked me about the little headpiece thing. I got these off of Amazon. It has that like silk in the inside, and it just helps if you wrap your hair at nighttime. It keeps the wrap in place. And I like to wear it like, well, I don't like to wear it like this because it's like really long. Y'all see that? So I'll just flip it up a little bit. And I'm about to get off of here. And I'm about to get off of here so that I can take my makeup off. Yep, I already took my shower, but I didn't take my makeup off yet. But yeah, guys. What you doing? You want to show me something? Okay. Let me tell them bye. All right, y'all. So I'm editing.
Okay, Ma.
Stop me. Don't do that. All right, my loves. It has been a long day. I went to work, and then I went over to my friend's house, Carla. I ain't even filmed that part. I am terrible. But I'll see you guys a little bit later. I am getting sleepy. All right. Love y'all. Bye.